using whiteboard paint to support interactive learning. Walls coated with whiteboard paint provide limitless ways to practice interactive learning in the classroom. During interactive learning sessions, students are taught by sensing and doing. Teachers design their instruction so that learners' interactions with one another and with the environment enhance their academic skills, retention, and understanding. This video will delve into creative ways to use whiteboard painted surfaces in interactive learning classes. Whiteboard walls for sharing ideas with classmates and teachers. Due to their practical value as teaching tools, many schools use whiteboards to practice interactive learning. Playing interactive educational games on a whiteboard wall. Gamifying or incorporating game-playing elements into the curriculum can make learning more pleasurable and inspiring for students. Gamification procedures may include creating point systems, posting leaderboards, and giving rewards to winners. Think, Pair, Share using whiteboard painted walls. Think, Pair, Share is a simple, effective, interactive learning activity that encourages students to use their critical thinking skills and express their original ideas. Taking part in whiteboard wall debates. Host student debates in your classroom using the vast surface of top-quality whiteboard painted walls. Debates require students to get up from their seats, move around the room, and express what they do or do not agree with in response to debate topics. With whiteboard painted walls, you can bring these interactive learning activities to life, fostering creativity and deeper engagement in your classroom. Call us at 800-936-2159 and speak with a friendly coding specialist. Or visit us at www.remarkablecoding.com to explore our range of products.